Hey everyone, I just wanted to get on here real quick to do an unboxing. I got my package tonight from the Aesthetic Dollar, so I just couldn't even wait to open it. I'm also excited because I got my Advent box, so for the 12 days of Christmas, but I'll do that on when it's time. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the stuff I got. Oh my gosh. Her packaging and everything is just so cute. I can't even really remember what I ordered because when her shop opened, I knew that stuff sold out. So I had an idea of everything I wanted, but I really wanted to just get in there and make sure I got the big items that I wanted, especially some of the binders because I'm just starting out and putting my different funds together. So I wanted to make sure I got those. Oh my gosh, how cute. I was also really excited because I got the mystery grab bag. So I knew that I wanted the wallet. Super pretty. And these bags that it comes in are so cute. And I was really excited for the sage green. It is so pretty. Just the classic binder. And here's the mystery grab bag. Teller slips, perfect. I needed some of these. So cute. And I was really needing one of these too, so I am super excited. And then it came with a cute pen. Love it.